Natitingnan natin ang nangyari dito. It happens right after. Titira pa yan eh. And he's gonna get spun around right here. I think if I were to make an educated guess, maring natuhod yata ito eh, sa likod, ano? But you know, we're not really sure. We'll really have to wait for Dominic to get over there and find out. So Dominic owes us 2 reports. Ganun po kabilis in a span of seconds, minutes. 2 Ginebra key players going down with the perceived injuries. First Junti Valenzuela, and now their import, the best import of the conference, Chris Alexander. But right now, since Chris Alexander goes out, it's Air 21 who chooses kung sino ang magja-job. Kaya pinili nila si Chris Pacana. Bakit naman nila pipiliin nga si Lucky Revis? Here's the jump. And who gets it? Eric Meng. Barangay Ginebra. It's been that kind of game. It seems nothing going right for Barangay Ginebra, but they have found a way. And there's a foul on Ranadel Del Campo. Okay, Dominic, what is the update on Junti Valenzuela and Chris Alexander?
Well, itong si Junti Valenzuela has actually been suffering from quadricep tendonitis at that time when he tried to make the move, parang may naramdaman daw siyang na-pull. So they're gonna ice him first at titignan nila kung makakabalik siya. Ito namang si Chris Alexander suffering from cramps dun sa kanyang kanang quadricep.
Alright, salamat Dominic. Steal by Gary David. David on the move against Pacana. David! That was partially blocked by Pacana. There's a loose ball foul. And might go against Ginebra here. Mukhang kay Mark Caguioa. You can see Mark Caguioa, Miko, is banging his head because he already has 6 turnovers in this game. You know, he's trying his best. But the thing is, when you don't feel right, mahirap talaga makuha yung timing. Speaking of not feeling right, what about Winnie Arboleda? Wala naman tayong balita na may injury to si Winnie Arboleda, but not really himself in this game. That's another missed free throw for Arboleda, who is absolutely the most experienced man on this Air 21 squad. They're on the free throw line, like you said, when Air 21 is winning, kadalasan dyan si Winnie Arboleda very involved in trying to make his teammates look better. So time winding down here in the third quarter. 33 seconds to go before the end of this period. Here's Caguioa to play. Yes, sir! DM3 for Caguioa, playing through the pain, and he has 8 points to show for. Here comes Thomas. 11-point lead para sa Ginebra, and Thomas is fouled. Now this is going to be the problem for Barangay Ginebra. We know that Eric Meng has been doing well on the offensive end. Ngayong injured, ito si ang Chris Alexander. Now Eric Meng has to work on both sides of the court. Kailangan siya score on one end, tapos babantayan niya pa si Stephen Thomas on the other. Thomas makes the first free throw. Mark Caguioa doing his best to contribute tonight. Kahit nananakit na ang kanyang mga tuhod, he drills in a TM3. Sabihin sa inyo ng bagong TM Discarte Sim, 30 pesos lang. May bagong diskarte ka na. 12 seconds to go. Ginebra trying to write the last sentence of the third chapter. Pacana has the basketball over to Caguioa. Playing through the pain, has the ball with 4 seconds to go. Arwin Santos trying to grab the ball away. It's a run on Bobit and time runs out. So at the end of the third quarter, Ginebra builds a 9-point lead, 72-63, led by Eric Meng and company. So 3 quarters down, 1 more quarter to go here in Game 7. We'll welcome you back inside the Big Dome. Dito sa Game 7, the championship within reach for both squads. It all boils down to this game. 1 more quarter, 12 more minutes. The final chapter in many respects. Dito na magtatapos ang lahat. The moment of truth. Will it be a royal coronation or will it be an express celebration? We're about to find out in the final chapter of what has been a 7-game epic. Members of the Ube Republic hoping that their team will bounce back and they will open the fourth quarter trailing. Ang Barangay Big Dome naman gusto nang magsaya in 12 basketball minutes. At syempre kami galak na makasalo kayong lahat. Jaymax Light Steel Frames, tibay sa hardcourt. Nakip sa inyo ng Jaymax, tibay at lakas ng loob. Certainly, Eric Nick, ang tibay talaga nung third quarter, Jason, and really was the pillar of strength for Ginebra in that period.
And they went to him early and they saw the mismatch and he really took care of the guys that were guarding Arvin Santos. Madali na naman si Arvin Santos. Eric Nick in that quarter scoring 8 points.
Third personal laban kay Pagana. Air 21 begins the fourth quarter with Gary David, the richest man in all of basketball, Egay Billones, Radidel De Ocampo, Steven Thomas, and Arvin Santos. And a miss by Billones.
Now you have to think that Air 21 is allowing Ginebra to get away with their lineup because Steven Thomas, their import, is out there and you have to force the defense to react pag sinopse mo to Steven Thomas.
Neither team scoring here in the fourth quarter. Here comes Billones, and he throws the ball away.
And Coach Bob Mirasol does not know where to go. Winnie Arboleda has been ineffective. He wanted to put Egay Billones for a change of pace, but 2 quick turnovers for his team. So he traveled. That's what I told you, Mito. Si Eric Nick gusto niya sakal bilang side dahil mas gusto niya mag-jump hook ng kaliwa.
Morantani is back on the floor, and look who's back for Ginebra, Chris Alexander, though he's still hobbling a bit. Kita-kita pa, ika-ika pa rin. So, papantayan natin ang kondisyon nitong si Chris Alexander. Arboleda also back in the game, and Winnie Arboleda really struggling here in Game 7. Here's Thomas.
We go now to Thomas, but it's Chris Alexander that's guarding him. Not really the mismatch that they had a while ago.
Wow! There's a foul! That's going to be the 5th.
Nico, parang storya nung Game 6 ang nangyari ngayon. Pero kabila naman ang nangyari dahil nung Game 6, si Steven Thomas yung nagkaroon ng maraming personal fouls. Now, it's Chris Alexander that has to nurse his 5 fouls with still 10 minutes and 37 to go.
That's not the only thing he's nursing. He's also nursing hurting right leg. Steven Thomas makes the first. And you can sense Thomas knowing that Winnie Arboleda is struggling. He'll try to carry this team on his big, broad shoulders like he has done so every game in this conference.
The question is, who knows how to win para sa Air 21? Dahil ni isa sa kanila, nakikita natin sa floor right now, have not won a single PBA championship.
Even Steven Thomas, for that matter,
has not won a championship anywhere.
Ito ang kanyang first time to be in this type of series. Here's Artadi with 2 to shoot. Artadi for 3. Very sluggish start here in the fourth quarter,
especially for Barangay Ginebra.
2 minutes having gone by. Here's Arboleda to Thomas.